Got it here, 100+ year old pencil sharpener. As you can see, you're gonna spin the handle. There's 3 blades and the pencil is gonna go inside here, and at the same time it's going to sharpen it and rotate it. This gear right here, you see how it's hitting it and rotating it and sharpening the pencil. So it's gonna stand like this. Once you get a pretty good smoothness, it's gonna go pretty nice. There you go. Alright, you're gonna just go a little bit faster and it's gonna start sharpening the pen. Wow, that was fast. Incredible. Do you see how fast it was? And then this side here comes out and you have like a pencil dust. So now that I learned how to use it, now I know. It's right here, takes apart. You can loosen it up, sharpen up the blade, I guess. I'm not gonna take it apart because this is one of the best looking pencil sharpener I've seen for sale. A lot of them actually for sale over $400. This one I got for $200 because for right collector, they will like it. So this is very unique. If you look at that, whenever you slide it in, there's like 3 springs that will hold it and rotate it together. Okay, I dulled out the pencil again. Let's try this one more time, see what happens. As you can see, it's really fast. Maybe a little bit more. Let's check. Yeah, a little bit more and we'll be done. I can't believe how good that is. Check this out. That's amazing. Okay, now let's do it slow. You see how this blade spins the pencil and cuts it and keep on going? That's what it slow looks like. And then you can go fast. Beautiful, and you have a really sharpened up pencil. It's nice. The pencil is gonna go in here, and as you can see, there is a tail holders like springs. Let me move that, and pencil gonna go to the bottom right here. Full unsharpened pencil. We're gonna put it in there, stick it, and as you can see, it's gonna sharpen it well. Once you got a good speed going, it is super quick and nice. Just hold it well. You can go pretty fast about it. There you go. And you see what happens? We have a really sharpened pencil. Very, very sharpened, super nice.